We're here at Home Depot trying to build a computer desk. Trying to pick up some stuff for the legs and build the computer desk. I bought these pieces of wood to build a computer desk. So yeah, we're at Home Depot. This part right here is gonna be the desk, and buying these parts for the leg. So we'll see how he turns out later. Stand the top của ta không phải sao phải because yeah, stand the top first. Ah. 瞬间到垃圾了，你不是到啥边？不是这个吗？Daddy, I'm taking a video of you. Oh my god! What's what? No, don't waste my thing. You're trying. Okay. So this is A. So A is. That's it. C2 raw side C1 nè tả. Yeah. Okay, do you want to roll some? Number 3 nè. What's another color? Mom, A first. A and B. A nè. Mom, do recording. Take the other way. Why? Because raw side is shot is for raw side is finish side edge thing. Okay, good. So con chia chỉ nhỏ nè. Ó không nói gì chủ nhớ là không nói. Taking this and nobody will get it. What?
Okay, as far as holding the board together, we use these to hold it together. As you can see, we're not using any wood glue because we don't want it to be permanent. You want to be able to take this apart when we move the table or whatever, the desk. So, you know, that's why we don't put wood glue in between. So, this is it, and then now we're gonna be putting the legs on that side over there. This is 4x4x8. I'm using this as for the leg. Okay, so I have them cut these into like 30 inches each for the leg. Okay, I just need 2 legs. So for the legs, I use these brackets right here and cut the 4x8 into 29 inch each, and I use these brackets here to secure the sides like that. Okay, on both legs. Okay, so now we have a half table almost finished. We're gonna take it inside and put the other end on the file cabinet and use these brackets to secure that to the cabinet, and we should be done. And then after that, we'll paint it if we want it, or if we just want the rugged look, we'll just leave it like that. Okay, so we're gonna move it inside right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like once you get everything together. We're not totally finished yet, but my wife said she liked the rugged look like this. So we sent everything down and she just liked it like that. And it matches the file cabinet where we bought from like $10 from a thrift store. And this file cabinet is really nice. It's got 3 drawers. And there you go. So it's really nice here. And we just put that on top of the file cabinet, and we have our 6 feet by almost 4 feet computer desk, all under $100. Okay, so this is really heavy duty, and we're gonna be putting like 2 screens on here. So in a minute, once we're set up, we'll show you guys a video of that. Okay, this is the Uno brand full motion dual monitor TV mount, and we're gonna mount that on our new computer desk. It's got all the gear here, all the mounts are here. Okay, so we will do that in a minute. Are you gonna put it way over there, or are you gonna put it right in the middle?
I think I would prefer this because I have more room to use on that.
Okay.
I'm gonna be using this.
Okay, go ahead, set it up. We got these 24-inch monitors. We bought 2 of them, so we're gonna set this up.
Whoa!
Take that. No, that. In here. Take that.
I'm gonna be opening this. Wow. Wow. I'm trying to open it. I'm gonna open it. Mommy, can I open it?
No, don't touch it, Belle.
Actually, I don't know how to use it.
Right. Okay, so here's the finished product. My wife kind of like it rugged look like this. I wanted to paint it after sanding it, but she said she liked the rugged look. So this is what we did to it. Okay, so we bought this this cover right here from Ross for a couple bucks. Piece of plastic, and put our keyboards and mouse pads on there. There's like a little working surface right there, and she put a newly built computer that she just built a couple days ago, and she put 2 monitors on there, and with the sound system and everything. Room for like a notepad right there. Got it all hooked up with the wires and everything. Yeah. So it's pretty sturdy, you know. It's almost 6 feet long by 4.5 feet wide. So plenty of working area, you know, if she wants to work on, you know, anything like building her computer or anything on here. Plenty of room on there, and all for less than $100. I would say it was like about close to $80, you know, self-built. And this is easy to take it apart, you know. If you're moving, you can just take everything apart, or if you like the like a metal file box, you can replace it with that. But you know, we like it all wood, so this is how it came out. Looks pretty good. There you go. You know, just you know, maybe like an hour of work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see how you can build your own computer desk. Thank you for watching. So this is how it looks with the pictures and backgrounds and everything there.